Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Notification Center. Following that, tap on Sort by Time and tap on the best option for you, in my case, Frequency. Lastly, just click on the green switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications. You can turn them back on by choosing the same now gray switcher. If you wish to, you can also access one of your apps by clicking on it on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!